right, princess. Do you remember? Do you remember? I need a piece of paper. I need a piece of paper. Yeah, a piece of paper. Baby, 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 baby. Baby, baby. I usually do this upstairs, but I didn't. It don't take that long to dry. That's what I like about it. It don't take just to get a little gloss on them nails, just a little bit. I don't put a whole lot. I just a little bit. Like, we don't want it. Well, I don't want it shining like a rock star, but I just put just a little something. Just a little something. Just a little something. I gloss up. I gloss up. Yes, I is. Mm. Mm-mm. Don't you fall down. You better not fall down, little baby. None of that. None of that. Excuse me. Excuse me, little baby. Oh no, I ain't put you on that tight. No. Probably because you ain't got no ponytail in there yet. Probably because you ain't got no ponytail in there yet. Look at that tushy. Look at that tushy. Okay, you want to do me like that? All right. All right, little baby. I ain't just fight with you. I'm not just to fight with you. Maybe I did put it on too tight. Hey! Couldn't have. Could it be? Could it be? No, it's not, because you about to come off of there. Hold on. So why are you not turning, little baby? Stuffy Shamo. I need you to sit up. I need you to sit up, little baby. TT need you to sit up, good. There we go. There we go. And I'm like, I knew I didn't put you on too tight. You just playing with TT emotions today. That's how that is. Yes, you is. You just playing with TT emotions today. Girl, you better cut all that out. You know I need you to sit up. You know I need you to sit up, fat baby. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. You gotta sit up for your TT. See, I need you to sit up for your TT. Yes, good, yes. She is chunky, y'all. I's a chunky one. I's a chunky one. What you doing, little baby? Okay, hey. Alright. Yeah, I look funny right now, but that's okay. Y'all don't mind that. See, y'all don't mind that. TT gonna get it together. See, y'all don't mind how they're looking right now. See, we gonna get it together. Don't mind that part, y'all. Don't mind that part. Uh-oh. See, don't mind that part, y'all. Now, I overstuff my babies. That's how I've always done my babies. So y'all probably be like, ew, y'all putting the, for the artists or whoever got reborn babies, you putting a lot in there. I overstuff my baby because, for one, my babies have a lot of hair. For two, over time, they're going to start, the polyfill is going to start loosening up. And my baby's got to be able to, their body's got to be able to support their heads. Because as y'all know, my babies are made with way more hair than the normal average baby of these sizes, which that is how art works. That's a work of art. That's how I like doing my babies. And I think that's what made me set apart from other people, because I do it different and not the way that society say it should be done, because like I say, it's not a real baby. It's a reborn baby doll, which is a work of art. And unless I'm doing a custom, it's the artist, up to the artist on how she wants to do the baby. So if you particular and all that kind of stuff, it's best to get a custom and work with an artist that can fulfill what you're looking for. But I know babies don't have all this hair like that, but some babies do. Some babies is born with a head full of hair. But again, because I be looking at the comments people be posting, and it's like, it's a reborn baby doll. It's not a real baby. So if I want to put 10 inches on the baby, I'm going to put 10 inches on the baby. It's up to you if you like it or not. So I overstuff them so that they can support their heads. So, cause say, yes, we do got a lot of hair. Yes, because my mommy's like doing hair. They like combing ponytails and stuff. Like I say. Alright, fat mama. So, all white fat mama. And I put their limbs on where they can barely move, because so they don't come off their body. This body don't have, some bodies have the jointed part right here where you can make it tight, because the jointed makes the arm go like that, but I don't like those bodies. So I barely use them unless it's requested, or it's certain kits that I do have to use that body on. But like I said, they're not meant to be done the way that they're done anyway. They're meant to be displayed. It's a work of art, but people are going to do what they want with their babies. I have no control over that once they leave. So you just have to be very delicate with them. You just have to be very delicate with them. That's like my hands. They're always ashy when I'm working on the babies, because I constantly rub my hands down with alcohol, because I cannot work in gloves. They bother me. They irritate me. So, and I don't want my oils to, to rub off on them. You come to say hi.